Did you know that non-compliance can cost businesses millions annually? It's not just a legal formality, it's a crucial element for sustainable growth. Ignoring compliance can lead to unexpected financial pitfalls. Non-compliance can result in hefty fines and penalties. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Indirect costs like increased insurance premiums and legal fees can quietly drain your resources. Beyond direct costs, non-compliance can lead to lost business opportunities. Clients may hesitate to partner with companies that don't adhere to regulations, impacting your bottom line. Non-compliance can severely damage your brand's reputation. Negative public perception can linger, affecting customer trust and loyalty. Once lost, rebuilding trust is a long and costly journey. Reputation loss isn't just about public image. It can lead to decreased sales and a tarnished brand legacy. Protecting your reputation is essential for long-term success. Ignoring compliance can lead to operational shutdowns, halting production and disrupting supply chains. These disruptions can cause significant delays and financial losses. Beyond logistics, non-compliance can demoralize employees, reducing productivity. A compliant workplace fosters a positive environment, boosting morale and efficiency. Compliance isn't just a necessity, it's a strategic advantage. By integrating compliance into your business model, you can gain a competitive edge and foster trust with stakeholders. Proactive compliance management offers numerous benefits. It not only safeguards your business, but also enhances your reputation, ensuring sustainable growth and success. Take action today and contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com. Let us help you embrace compliance as a strategic tool to drive your business forward. By doing so, you'll protect your assets and unlock new opportunities for growth. We can help you succeed.